Albert Hofmann was a Swiss chemist known best for being the first known person to synthesize, ingest, and learn of the psychedelic effects of lysergic acid diethylamide. Hofmann was also the first person to isolate, synthesize, and name the principal psychedelic mushroom compounds psilocybin and psilocin. He authored more than 100 scientific articles and numerous books, including LSD, Mein Sorgenkind. In 2007, he shared first place with Tim Berners-Lee in a list of the 100 greatest living geniuses, published by the Daily Telegraph newspaper. Albert Hofmann was born in Baden, Switzerland on 11 January 1906, the first of 4 children to factory toolmaker Adolf Hofmann and his wife Elizabeth. When his father became ill, Hofmann obtained a position as a commercial apprentice in concurrence with his studies. At the age of 20, Hofmann began his chemistry degree at the University of Zurich, finishing 3 years later, in 1929. Owing to his father's low income, Albert's godfather paid for his education. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.